Good morning, everybody. Yagil here from Keys on Wheels. Today we are working on Porsche Boxster 2001 986. Our customer had one original key which fully works, locks, unlocks, and start the car. Now we are going to programming two new remote keys. This doesn't do anything, uncut, unprogrammed. Okay, so now we've got two new keys. Got the original one as well. This is locks, unlock, locks, unlock, and that's our original. And then now we start them all. Key number one, key number two, and key number three. Happy days, all working. Thanks for watching and have a great day.